Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Masha, and in today's video we'll be unboxing this Forever21 package. I got lots of interesting cool things for summer, so if you're curious, just stay with me and keep watching. First of all, I got this from this seasonal collection. It's the skirt in this cream color. It should be fitted skirt, so you can see it looks like this, and it has the ribbon on top. It's high-waisted, I think. The only thing that I'm kind of worried a little bit that it might be see-through, so a little bit transparent. So we'll try and we'll let you know how it looks. But I think it goes nice summer, and I also got the same top from the same set. So I think if you wear them together, let's find the top. Found it. It's a crop top in this cream color. To me it looks more of a white color. It has the ribbed fabric. I think it's really gorgeous for summer. It's like a total white outfit. Will go nice with some black sandals or white sandals, or you can dress up like this and go to the beach, for example, or maybe just to have some cocktails with girlfriends. Will go nice too. It has this round neckline, a pretty simple and minimalist look. I really like it, and from the seasonal collection again, only for this season, so if you like it, so you might want to grab it. The quality of this thing is pretty good. It's thick. Again, I'm not sure if it's see-through. We'll see. If it's see-through, I'm gonna try it on. Okay, so for the next one, I got this dress, and it's a satin sleeve dress. It's in this rust color. I expected better quality, but this quality is not as great as it was on the picture. In the picture, it was an amazing dress. I'll link it below, somewhere here, so you guys can check it out. From what I see, it should be crossed on the back. It has the zipper on the side that you can use, and it's in a small color. It's $29. I wanted to wear this one with a black leather jacket and some black sandals for evening maybe, or if you want to go for a vacation or somewhere on the beach, maybe it will go nice with the black sandals too, or even white sneakers to create more contrast. Okay, so for the next one in this package, I got this white skirt. It's a leather skirt. I think it's a fake, of course. It's fake leather. I got it in small size. I think it should be pretty hot. I mean, for summer. When I saw it, I fell in love with this skirt, and I decided to get it because it was really nice on the model. It looks so stylish, so simple, so clean. It will go nice with some crop tops, maybe with a white one that I shown you previously, guys. It also will go amazing with something black on top. For the black and white outfit, you can pair it with some black top, a sleeveless, or maybe polo t-shirt, even shirt will go well with this skirt, or to create more of a sportish kind of and a contrast look. I would wear it with some hoodie on top and pair it with some sneakers. White sneakers or even black sneakers will go nice too. To complete this outfit, I also ordered a blouse in this, let me find it, and I'm gonna show you guys. I ordered this blouse in this animal print. It's like a leopard print, but the quality is not as good. On the picture was really nice. The quality, I think it made of polyester or something. It's not breathable. It's like a synthetic quality, but I really like the pattern. I really like the print of this blouse, and I got it in small size. It was $22. And just to combine these two, where's my skirt? Just to combine these two together, this will go awesome with some white sandals, I think, or maybe like, you know, transparent sandals too. It's very neutral outfit. Just add some neutral bag to it, and just beige high heels will go nice. Okay, and this one, shorts in this pink color. I got it in medium size. I don't remember why. I usually wear a small, but maybe I thought that medium will go well for this shorts, but I'm not sure why I ordered medium. or maybe they ran out of the small size. But yeah, this one is medium, and it has this, I really like that it has this buttons. It looks like a skirt from the front, and it looks like a shirt from the back, and I love the color. And I also ordered the jacket in the same color. It's from the same set. Let me find it and I'm gonna show you guys. And jacket looks like this. It's also in the medium size, and this jacket was $32. I thought I got this one in medium because I thought it will be more oversized, and I really want it to be oversized because it looks more stylish, sophisticated, just to pair it with these shirts. It also has this same buttons from the front. It's like a double-breasted jacket. Has some threads here, so I can cut it. The quality is for $32. Doesn't have any linen underneath. I absolutely in love with the shirts, suits. Recently, especially, it's cool for the summer because you can look very luxurious in the set. You can put some lace bra, or even if you go for vacation, you can put some one-piece swimsuit, and then put these shirts underneath, and then the jacket on top if you go for cocktails, and then you can come back to the beach, and then you just take off everything, and then you go and relax, have fun, and swim in the swimming suit. For a morning breakfast, coffee, if you pair it with something white underneath, and maybe some sandals, some white sandals. Okay, so for the next one, it's again one more sleep dress. I'm in love with this dress. This dress, the quality is a little bit better than the rust one, the one that I shown you previously. This one in this beigey kind of gold cheetah color. It has this black dots like an animal print. I got it in small size again. It was $25. This one, it doesn't, I think it doesn't have any sleeve, but it's a maxi dress. You can wear it with some black sandals for summer, and if it's a little bit chilly, you can throw some black leather jacket or some black blazer on top. Yeah, it's like a sleep dress. I think it has the cross on the back and the same kind of color. I don't know how you call it, guys. I'm not sure. But yeah, the same kind of color from the front. We'll see. I really like the color, and I think this hole for me is more of like a neutral hole. I think I'm on a neutral wave right now, and when I saw all these neutral colors, I thought, why not? They're looking so expensive, so pretty, so nice. When you wear them, you look sophisticated. Really happy with what I have right now. Next one is this satin maxi skirt in this beige, amazing, gorgeous color. It has these buttons from one side. I got it in small size, $22. The quality of this thing is amazing, but it feels like for small size, too big on the waist, but we'll see. And also it might be see-through again, but I love the quality, and it was so gorgeous on the model. It looks very feminine, elegant, and because of the color too, it looks so stylish and cool. And I decided to pair this one with a white top that I'm gonna show you guys. I think it's an amazing color combination, beige and white on top, and you can pair it with some white sandals or maybe beige, like a neutral color sandals. It's a cold shoulder top, this puffy sleeves, and also this part I believe is a little bit puffy. I believe if you iron it, it will be more flattering on the body, because now it doesn't have any shape. It's very feminine, elegant. Like that I would go to the beach, and then also I would go to coffee, and I would add some straw hat if I go to the beach, some beige neutral color straw hat, and also I would pair it with some beige color sandals, and then I would add some straw bag as well. The next one, I got this beautiful polka dot bodysuit in this white and black color. It has this very interesting neck So just one shoulder. It's kind of like a ruffles a little bit, not too much. I don't like too much recently. I got this one in medium again. I'm not sure why. Maybe they didn't have any small size. It has this pants with a closure on the bottom. This one I want to wear with some light blue jeans and maybe to create lots of black and white outfits. Wear this top with some loose black pants or shorts. I pair it with a mini skirt again, the skirt that I got in this haul too. Then I can go to even to the club, or maybe I can go for some cocktails in the evening. If I pair it with the jeans, then I can go for coffee like that, or for dinner, or for morning breakfast. The last one, I got this amazing mini skirt again. It's a satin mini skirt with the animal print. It's not that visible, but it has more texture. I like it because it has these little buttons from the front, and also it's very soft, pleasant to the body, probably not see-through because it has the linen on the inside. I got it in small size. It was $18. The color is champagne. So fancy. For this one, I thought I would wear it with something more bold because the skirt is very feminine, mini. If I wear it with some hoodie on top, or maybe some neon color top and some neon color sneakers, or even white sneakers plus neon color socks, then it will go amazing, stylish together. Maybe you can also wear it with some white top just to create the very simple white and beige outfit, which is so amazing for summer too, and pair it with some white shoes. It will look nice. Alright guys, that was it, and I hope you liked it and enjoyed my little Forever 21 summer haul. Let me know in the comments below what was your favorite outfit. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Follow me on Instagram. I'm always happy to see you there, and tag me on your pictures if you've created any of my outfits too. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next videos. Bye!